Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you yet another React.js pagination library. So this package is called as rc-pagination, and we have a very simple example where we are looping through an array of items and we are displaying 10 items per page, and we are on the first page of the pagination. So we have all these pagination controls available at the bottom side, and if I navigate to the second page you will see the next 10 items in the pagination. Same goes with the third page, you will see. So you can paginate any sort of data. It can include images, text with this library, and we see there's all these controls if you want to navigate to the previous page or next page, or you can individually click the page number and it will navigate. So this is a very simple package. So if you want to search for this, so just go to npmjs.com and just search for this module, which is rc.pagination. So just search like this, and the very first component which comes, this is actually the package, and the command is very simple. You just need to install it by executing this command. I've already installed it and it's almost got 833,000 weekly downloads. It's a very popular pagination module. So it has got a nice little documentation. You can read more about it. So I will just give you a very simple example. So just make a simple functional component, and then we need to import this module by using the import statement, and the pagination module will be coming from this rc pagination, and it's almost 19 kilobytes, and in this way you can import your pagination. And also we need to import the css file for this, which is located in the assets directory index.css. Just a 5.5 kilobyte css file of this module for the styling. And now we come to the actual app. For this I will just declare one state variable for keeping track of the current page of the pagination. So initial value here will be 1. We will be using the useState hook. So when the user loads the application, they will be on the first page. So apart from that, we need to declare some more variables for the pagination, such as how many items that you want to display. I will say 10 per page, and total items will be 100. And then we need to simply generate a very simple 100 items by this function array from, and here we will specify the length to be the total items. For this example, you can even take your own data, such as images coming from database or JSON API. I'm just, for the simple example, I'm just generating this data by using this built-in function of JavaScript. So it will generate 100 items and store it in this array of data. So now we have this data that we need to paginate. So now we come to the JSX, wherever you need to embed the pagination component, and I just give it a padding of 20 pixel, and after this we will have a heading here which will say pagination example with rc pagination, and then we loop through the array of items. In the ul tag we say current items. So I think we have declared this variable. I haven't declared this. So after generating this data, we just need to create a current items variable, and we'll be using the slice method of JavaScript, a built-in method, and based upon the current page number we will calculate the number of items. So on per page we will be displaying 10 items. So this is actually the simple formula for calculating the number of items which will be there on the current page. So that's all that we need to do, and after that we need to loop through these current items by using the map function. So map, and for each item we can simply loop through like this. We'll use the li list item tag, and we will provide a key parameter here which will be index, and here will be just displaying the actual items. So just after this ul tag we just need to display the pagination component. So we just write pagination, and it actually takes some parameters. First is the current page, the second one is the total number of items that we need to display. So it will locate it in this variable total items. The page size is how many items you want to display. So we also have this variable. And lastly, we'll be binding an on change. So whenever user selects any particular page that they want to navigate to the pagination, this callback function will execute. So we just need to define this function. So whenever the page changes, the page number will be passed. And in this function, we just need to set the current page. So we use the hook function set current page and pass the actual page number. So this completes the application, and if you go to the browser and refresh, you will see 10 items will be displayed and we will be on the first page of the pagination. So you can see, so 10 pages are generated, each page containing 10 items. And if you want to change it, let's suppose you want to display 20 items per page. So now the pages will, you can also see each page now contain 20 items and the total pages is now 5 because 100 items are there. So 100 divided by 20 is 5. So in this way, guys, you can configure in React.js how to paginate data with this package rc-pagination. The configuration process is really simple. All the source code I will give in the description of this video. So you can use this package to paginate any sort of data in React.js. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.